So now let's see how we can utilize the angle blur effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have this particular footage right here, and in order to add in an angle blur, I'm going to go around under effects right here. So once I go around over here, I'm going to go around onto the blur section right here, and once I go around you can see that angle blur is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag around this angle blur over here on this particular footage, then you can see this angle. So if I were to go around over here, let me just press Ctrl Z, you can see that this is what you have. You can go around and change around the angle of this blur, as you can see right here. And that is what you have. So you got this little angle right here, just like this. So let's just go around onto angle blur, and you can see that I have this this little control right here. You can click and drag it right here to change the amount of angle blur, as you can see, and you can use this right here to change around the blur right here, just like this. So you can move this around, as you can see right here, and this is what you have. So if I were to go to preset, then you can see that you can go around and choose different presets like medium 45 degrees and short horizontal degrees right here, short vertical degrees, and so forth. And you can go around and change around the angle as you like for this particular blur right here. You can also go around and change around the length of the blur right here. You can go around and decrease the length or increase the length of the blur as you like right here, as you can see right here. So you can also go around and clamp the edges right here, as you can see. So if I were to go around, you can see that the edges don't really have the blur, don't really have, let's say, black right here. Because it does not actually go around and blend out the edge, but it goes around and adds in the blur effect. But if I were to disable this one right here, then you can see that on the edges you get that effect right here, just like this. So let me just go around onto length, and you can see that you do get this effect right here. So let's just go around and resize this right here, and you can see that this is what you have. So this is the edges right here, and as I change around the length, you can see that you get the blur effect right here. But as you clamp to the edge right here, what happens is that it still stays the same, as you can see right here, just like this. And that is pretty handy if you don't want your blur effect to be leaking outside the layer area right here, just like this. And that is how you can work around with the angle blur effect inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.